Did we accidentally find another planet? Since childhood, we've been taught that there are 8 planets in our solar system. And we, observing the universe for centuries, are pretty sure about that. However, something very bizarre is happening beyond Neptune, and scientists claim it's Planet 9. Did we discover a new neighbor? Why was it hidden for so long? All these questions will be answered as we dive deep into the ocean of possibilities this universe holds. Something hidden and terrifying is exerting gravitational force on the trans-Neptunian objects revolving around the Sun, causing them to have clustered orbits. What's the reason behind this? What's shaking the orbit of rocky distant worlds? A 9th planet. The idea was that another planet, long hidden from human eyes with the mass of 10 times the mass of Earth, is lurking beyond Neptune, controlling everything. Objects far beyond Neptune were studied, and their bizarre orbits led to this conclusion. TNOs, or trans-Neptunian objects, had extremely elongated and tilted orbits, with all of them being clumped together mysteriously. In fact, new TNOs were found following the same trend of clustering together. This raised the question, why? And scientists answered, it might be an invisible 9th planet. Could it be made of dark matter? However, an endless amount of questions stem in the minds of the geniuses. Why is the planet not discovered yet? Does it sustain life? Or is it something else? All these questions remained unsolved until a new study found that the odd clustering of distant worlds is due to selection bias, not an unseen planet's gravity. Basically, the distant lumps of rocks were not clustered together because of the gravitational force of an invisible planet. Rather, it was because that's where telescopes were looking or were most sensitive. Basically, the research on Planet 9 might be inaccurate. So was there a selection bias? A team led by Kevin Napier went on the journey to uncover the truth and gathered 14 distant TNOs discovered by 3 different surveys. The survey sources ranged from Blanco Telescope in Chile to Canada, France, Hawaii Telescope in Hawaii. They took account of when and where the telescopes pointed and how sensitive they were to the faint objects. And what they found shut the entire case. The research led by Kevin found TNOs universally distributed around the solar system. That means the TNOs were not influenced by the gravitational force of another planet, and rather were clumped together because of the way we observed. This ended the ambitious idea of a new neighbor in our solar system. But hey, some scientists reject the conclusion. According to them, completely discarding the idea of a 9th planet is foolish, as conclusions drawn by Kevin have their own loopholes. Well, the debate is ongoing, and all have an eye on the developing telescope in Chile. Once in operation, it would reveal the selection bias and probably shut the case forever. However, you should not stop exploring, and watch more mind-boggling videos by clicking here.